Milescraft ShelfJig. The Milescraft ShelfJig makes custom cabinet shelving a breeze. Its see-through body reduces errors and allows for drilling up to 7 holes at once. The indexing pins and centering notches make positioning easy. You can adjust the guide fence for 37 mm or 64 mm setbacks, or remove it for access to the back of the cabinet box. The jig comes with 1 micrometer and 5 mm drill bits for common shelf pins. Changing bits is quick and easy with the hex shaft. The standard 32 mm spacing between holes and the repositionable guide fence make the ShelfJig a versatile tool. The indexing pins allow for an unlimited series of holes, and the detachable fence provides convenient storage for unused pots. Get ready to create custom cabinet shelving like a pro. Faithfull Upright Clamped. The Faithfull Upright Clamped is a versatile tool that securely holds doors, sheet materials, and studs for interior wood framing. With a strong grip that can hold materials up to 55 mm wide, this clamp is ideal for 30-30 and 60-60 fire doors. It's easy to use with one hand or foot, and the sturdy base can be used on tabletops and floors. The clamp allows for easy marking out, rooting out, planing, and drilling without needing a helping hand. The supports screw holes in the base add extra security when working with heavy objects. You can even secure the clamp to an additional base for added stability. This handy tool is perfect for any DIY or construction project. When it comes to complex parts or tools, sometimes contact probes aren't enough to capture all of their measurements. That's where the Faro Quantum's FaroArm comes in. It uses lasers to capture measurements quickly and accurately, making it a favorite of leading manufacturers. The Quantum's FaroArm combines the measurement capabilities of a portable coordinate measuring machine with the non-contact functionality of a laser line probe. With 3 different laser line probes to choose from, you can optimize for speed, accuracy, or a blend of both, depending on your project needs. The 3-doctor scan arm can capture precise measurements in nearly any environment, from the factory floor to the field. So whether you're inspecting or aligning pots, the Faro Quantum's FaroArm is a powerful and reliable tool to get the job done right. Levoite Right Angle Clamp 90 Degree. The Levoite Premium Aluminum Corner Clamp is a must-have tool for woodworking. Made of premium aluminum alloy, this clamp allows 2 wood blocks to be joined at a 90-degree angle. Its quick push-pull handle ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue. With a clamping range of 10 mm to 30 mm, it's precise and easy to fix. This versatile tool is great for welding, framing, drilling, doweling, making cabinets, assembling furniture, and more. Weighing 1.765 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile clamp for your woodworking projects, the Levoite Premium Aluminum Corner Clamp is a great option. Arm Plus One-Hand Extension for Multiprop. The Arm Plus One-Hand Extension for Multiprop is a useful addition to your telescopic support. It allows you to operate the support with just one hand, making it easy to use in a variety of situations. The Arm Plus is mounted in place of the standard head, and with one click of your finger, it shoots up to 18 centimeters to already clamped. You can then easily clamp harder by pressing the handle, leaving your other hand free at all times. This is particularly useful when installing a false ceiling or other projects where you need to keep one hand free. The Arm Plus features non-slip pads that can be tilted to any angle, are fully weather-resistant, and have a nylon fiberglass reinforced handle. They are compatible with any version of the Multiprop telescopic support, making it a versatile tool to have in your kit. Camco's Sidewinder soar hose support is a must-have tool for RV enthusiasts who want to keep their soar system flowing smoothly at the dump station. It's compatible with RV soar hoses up to 20 feet long with a 3-inch diameter. The support features deep cradles that hold your RV soar hose in place without straps, allowing you to place the support on flat or uneven terrain for simple drainage. Once set up, the support will not creep closed. Made of heavy-duty, lightweight plastic with no rust pots, the support telescopes when in use and folds for compact storage. It's ready right out of the box, no assembly required, and includes a convenient handle for easy carrying. Keep your RV soar system in top condition with Camco's Sidewinder soar hose support. GB Portable Cyclone Powered Conduit Bender. The GB Portable Cyclone Powered Conduit Bender is a versatile and portable tool for efficient and precise bending of 1/2 EMT, rigid IMC, EMT aluminum conduit, and 1/2 PVC coated rigid conduit on a single shoe. It uses a standard pipe threader as a power source, making it quick to set up with a common job site tool. The bender is compatible with most pipe threaders and weighs just 35 pounds for easy portability. It reduces the risk of injury and saves time on the job site. It performs precise bends with repeatability and is competitively priced versus similar mechanical benders. The GB Portable Cyclone is an excellent tool for anyone in the electrical industry who needs to bend conduit regularly. Get yours today and make your next bending job a breeze. The Flexi Trowel and Flexifit System. The Flexi Trowel and Flexifit system offer a versatile solution for plasterers. It allows users to choose the blade that suits them and the job at hand, reducing the need to carry multiple trowels. This system offers multiple sizes in both stainless steel and plastic blades, and features a patented 10 mm foam backing that offers extra flexibility for the smooth application of plaster on straight or curved walls. The closed cell foam is designed not to absorb any liquid, which maintains its flexibility for a longer working life. Our 0.3 mm stainless steel blades provide an ultra-thin, lightweight trowel for the ultimate finish on plastering jobs. With the Flexi Trowel and Flexifit system, you have multiple solutions in one trowel. Choose the blade that works best for you and get the job done with ease. The Laser Tools Airbrush Blowgun 2 is a versatile, lightweight cleaning tool that's ideal for hard-to-reach areas, upholstery, air vents, and pots. Its two-brush width and working pressure of 90 psi make it efficient, while its composite material construction makes it durable and easy to handle. The inlet thread of 1/4 and brush attachment thread of M10x 1.25 make it easy to attach to a variety of air hoses and brush attachments. However, its average air consumption of 8 CFM may affect the performance of smaller air compressors. Overall, it's a great option for anyone looking for an efficient tool for cleaning difficult-to-reach areas. The Levoite Invisible Connector Hole Punch Locator is a tool designed to simplify the installation of invisible connectors. It provides accurate holes and stable connections for cabinets, wardrobes, bookshelves, and other items. This tool is made of durable, rust-free, and corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy. The height of the positioning pile can be adjusted to suit different plate thicknesses, and the drill bushing can be replaced to meet different drilling sizes. Improve your work efficiency with this easy-to-use hole jig and make the installation of invisible connectors less difficult. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.